Hello, guys! Imagine creating your own unique character and then generating images of that character and even turning them into full videos, all using powerful AI models like NanoBanana, Kling, and the latest models. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in this video, we're going to explore how you can create consistent characters, edit images effortlessly, and generate stunning videos all in one place. Plus, we'll check out some really powerful tools that make the whole process super easy. So, let's dive in and see what this platform can really do. Yep, this is Dzine, the platform we're going to use today. So let's get started. First, we'll create a brand new character and then generate images using that character. To get started, head over to Dzine and log in. Once you're on the home page, you can begin right here by selecting a model and describing what you want to create. Or you can go to the AI Tools section and click on Consistent Characters. Now, click on Choose a Character. Here, you'll see a collection of pre-made characters you can use. But since we want to create something brand new, go ahead and click on Build Your Character. Once you're in, you'll notice there are two different modes available. The first one is Training Mode, where you need to upload multiple images of a character to train the model. And the second one is Quick Mode, which is what we're going to use. With Quick Mode, you can simply describe your character and generate a brand new one instantly. Here, click on Start with Description, since we don't have any images to upload. Now, you'll see an interface where you can enter a name and a description for your character. Go ahead and give your character a name and then describe how you want it to look, whether it's realistic or anime, and include as much detail as possible. Next, head over to the Style section, click on View All Styles, and choose the NanoBanana Pro model. For the reference face, you can leave it empty. And finally, click Generate to create your very first character. Great! Now your new character has been generated. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can simply click Regenerate to create a new version. Or, if you like what you see, select the character and click on Start Building to continue. Okay, now let's generate some images using our new character. First, make sure your character is selected. Then, describe what you want the character to do. For example, a specific scene or an action. After that, choose your aspect ratio and click Generate. All right, friends, now it's time to generate a video. We already have our images, so the next step is to convert one of them into a video. To do that, simply choose any image from the generated section and click on AI Video. That will open the video generation interface. Here, select the model you want to use. In my case, I'll choose Kling 3.0. You can also try Seedance 2. It gives really good results, too. Now, describe how you want your character to move or act, then choose the video duration and quality. Finally, click Generate and wait for the result. Perfect! Now you know how the video generation process works. But let me show you one more example. I'm going to take another image and convert it into a video. Awesome! We're almost there. Now, let's take a look at how the chat editor tool works. Basically, it's an image and video editor, but personally, I mostly use it for image editing. All right, once you open the tool, upload the image you want to edit. Then, select NanoBanana 2 as your model. Now, describe how you want the image to be edited. For example, in my case, I'll ask the AI to remove the sunglasses from this picture. After that, choose the aspect ratio and click Generate. Awesome! Now you can see the image has been edited. Next, click on Chat Editor under the edited image. This allows you to edit the image again. So this time, I'm going to change the scene to midnight. Let's see how it turns out. Perfect, right? Now you know how to use Dzine to create some really amazing and creative content. And remember, this platform isn't just limited to what we covered today. You'll find many more powerful AI tools like lip syncing, background remover, video editing, and much more. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep creating.